What's up guys, Tayo here. The successor to the Spark 7P is here and it's called the Spark 8P obviously. And to be honest, this device isn't much of an upgrade to the Spark 7P, and in this video I'll be telling you all about it and much more. So sit back and relax while you click on that like button and that subscribe button, and with that being said, let's dive right into this video. The Tecno Spark 8P is made out of plastic, which is expected from a device at this price range, which I'll be telling you in a bit, so stick around for that. It comes in a variety of colors, namely turquoise cyan, Atlantic blue, Irish purple and Tahiti gold. Let me know your favorite color in the comment section right below that like button. My favorite color is definitely the turquoise cyan color. At the back of this device you get a striped texture and a glossy surface housing the triple camera setup. At the side we get a volume rocker and a fingerprint scanner which doubles as the power button. The Tecno Spark 8P rocks a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. But it comes with a catch. You get 60Hz refresh rate instead of 90Hz refresh rate found on the Spark 7P. Let me know in the comment section below if you would prefer 720p and 90Hz refresh rate or 1080p resolution and 60Hz refresh rate. I would love to see those interesting answers of you guys. On the software front, we get HIL 7.6 running on Android 11. And if you know anything about Tecno software, you would know that they are usually packed with bloatware, and this device doesn't disappoint either, but thankfully they can be uninstalled or disabled. The Tecno Spark 7P came with a MediaTek Helio G70 processor, and since this device is meant to be an upgrade, we should get a G75 or a G80 processor, right? Well, we got the MediaTek Helio G35 processor, which brings up the question, is this device really an upgrade? Well, this processor should perform the everyday tasks and some gaming coupled with 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded using a memory card. As for cameras, we get a triple camera setup consisting of a 50 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera and a 0.3 megapixel VGA camera capable of shooting videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, which is the same for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. And as always, devices at this price range wouldn't take mind-blowing pictures or videos, but they will certainly take pictures that are decent that you'll be satisfied. The Tecno Spark 8P houses a 5000 mAh battery that should get you through the day, and when it dies you can juice it up using the 10W charger included in the box, but bear in mind that charging speeds won't be the fastest. Now this device starts at the price of 77,000 naira. Is it worth the price? Well, that depends on you. If you have the Tecno Spark 7P, I wouldn't advise you to get this device, especially if you don't care about camera quality and the higher display resolution, because well, I think 720p is quite okay, but if you don't care about the 1080p resolution, do not bother getting this device and just opt for something better generally, because these devices are basically the same specs, and if you even get a better processor on the Spark 7P. So if you want a device, you could get the Spark 7P instead of this one. So yeah, in the comment section below, let me know your thoughts on this device as a whole, and thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.